Move now to Parshvanath Developers. Pradeep Jain has joined in to talk about his numbers. Pradeep, morning. Your stock has been hammered over the last couple of weeks, perhaps on some fears that much of your stock is pledged and some of that pledged stock could be being sold in the market. Can you clarify what the situation is with pledges of Parshvanath stock and why your stock price has collapsed so much in the last fortnight?
Well, then, good morning. Basically, the stock market prices or the operations beyond our control. We are 100%, the promoter equity on it. There was no the promoter sale or anything, and I don't know how and what way this the price hammered. You are right. But who did that? I believe some bear cartel or something active on our counter, as I understand.
Pradeep, morning. No, the question we asked was whether any of the promoter shares are pledged at this point. On that, you are putting out a categorical no?
So as I said, all the pledged shares of the promoter intact. There was no sale as of now of the promoter pledged shares.
Yeah, but how much is pledged, Pradeep?
We have around 80% of the promoter equity pledge, and that equity pledge is the large financial institutions. And, the most of our equity pledge along with the hard security for taking the loan for our execution of our project and so on and so forth with the large institutions as such.
Then?
The problem with this pledged shares, Pradeep, is that when the stock price collapses quite rapidly, then you need to either top up margin or people start calling back some of these pledges or sell the stock. Have you had any such advances from the institutions that the stock is pledged with?
See, Udin, as I said, the most of our pledged shares along with the hard security, wherever be the margin calls, we are topping up with the cash. And with the hard security, we are not further pledging of our shares. And on regular basis, we keep getting our share released. If you see this pledge of the shares with the large institutions since last 1 year, and the price movement from top to bottom and keep going on up and down, that is not the threat to us as a promoter and to our company for operation and the business as such.
How tight is liquidity now, Pradeep, for most real estate developers, including yours, given how interest rates have moved, given how tight the market seems to have become? Would you concede that liquidity for execution is becoming a bit tight?
Well, then we are focusing from last 18 months on regular basis to reduce our debt. And we substantially reduce our debt from the peak level to present debt around 1100 odd crore rupees, the net debt on the balance sheet. And, couple of the private equity investors we introduced in our projects. And fairly, we are in a good situation of our cash to meet out our execution and repayment and servicing, etc. And yes, the interest rate start moving up because of the inflation and the RBI norms tighten. We are not focusing to acquire any new loans in the short term. In last 18 months also, on regular basis, through our internal accruals, we keep, reducing our debt. And the present debt, as I said, around 1100 odd crore rupees net debt on a group level.
You had guided, though, to the fact that you would scale it down by 800 crores by the end of this financial year, Pradeep, which we're almost at the end of. Do you think you can do that? Bring 1100 minus 800 down?
No, I didn't say that. In the September when we talked, I said around 500 to 600 crore rupees debt we will reduce by March. From September till now, around 300 plus crore rupees we already reduced. From 1450 crore to around 1100 crore as of now. And further on, we are focusing to further reduce the debt through the internal accruals. I don't think that we are able to reduce by 600, but definitely about 100, 150 more crore rupees we will reduce in next 45 to 60 days time.
And what are you guiding to in terms of sales for this year then?
See, the sales, we are not as such giving the guidance, but if you see the 9 month the top line and the bottom line fairly good as compared to the earlier year. And as into the real estate, the last quarter become a strong. I feel this quarter, give us the large top line and bottom line, since very recently we got couple of our project sanctions and we got a couple of private equity introduced in the last quarter. So the top line and bottom line substantially improved into this quarter as compared to the corresponding quarter.
Thanks, Pradeep, for joining in with those clarifications. That's Parshvanath saying that yes, 80% of the promoter stake is pledged, but not a single pledged share has been sold down over the last fortnight, and they're able to top up any kind of margin calls from the institutions where the stake is pledged. Stocks up 4% now post results at 30 rupees. Some of the stocks, though, are under pressure this morning. They are from the infrastructure and real estate space. But let's take a break and come back and talk about commodities. With crude having come down to 85, can it head further down? Jure Keener of Swiss Asia Capital with us.